we are back for another class. I hope you have been doing your homework till today. So in your previous class you have learned the shapes and the colors. The shapes you have even stuck in your scrapbook, so it is easy for you to learn. Please learn the name of the shapes: circle, square, rectangle and triangle. These are the names of the shapes you have to learn. In the same way, even the colors. We have pictures here related to the colors. So like a crow is black, sun is yellow, a brinjal is purple, an egg is white, a leaf is green, an orange is orange, an apple is red, a sky is blue, a lotus is pink and a chocolate is brown. All of us like chocolates, don't we? I love chocolates. So parents, please teach your children all the colors, as many as they can learn. It doesn't have to be all the colors. As many as they can learn, the basic colors, just teach them. So this is your GK homework for today. Okay, so now in your previous class I have taught you the letter A, capital A, small a, and the pictures related to that. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. So in that way we have to learn the letters. So right now I am going to teach you a new letter which is B, right? So what are the pictures that start with the letter B? B for bus, B for ball, B for boat and B for butterfly. Let's say it once again. B for bus, B for ball, B for boat, B for butterfly. So this is the capital B and this is the small b. Capital B, small b. In the similar way, there are some more pictures that we can see with the letter B. Another B for ball, another B for butterfly. But is this two pictures starting with the letter B? No, they don't start with the letter B. It's only B for ball and B for butterfly. So this is the way you have to write the letter B. Now I'm going to show you how to write the letter B. Again, from the red line to the blue line standing line, red line to blue line curve line, blue line to blue line curve line. That is capital B. Let us do it once again. Red line to blue line standing line, red line to blue line curve line, blue line to blue line curve line. Capital B. Again, standing line, curve line, curve line. This is capital B. Let us do it once again. Red line to blue line standing line, red line to blue line curve line, again blue line to blue line curve line. Capital B. Once again, standing line, curve line, another curve line. Capital B. In that way you even have to write small b. So again, red line to blue line standing line, blue line to blue line curve line. Now here in the capital B you have to write two curve lines, and in the small b only one curve line. So let's do it once again. Standing line, blue line to blue line curve line, small b. Again, red line to blue line standing line and blue line to blue line curve line, small b. Standing line, curve line, small b. You need to touch the lines, children. Touch the red line and the blue line to blue line. Touch the lines and write neatly. So now this is your small classwork book where you have to do your homework. So you have to open it to page number 5, right? Page number 5 is capital B. B for bus. Now again here also you have to do the same thing, from red line to blue line standing line, red line to blue line curve line, blue line to blue line curve line. Capital B. Standing line, curve line, curve line. Capital B. Red line to blue line standing line, blue line to blue curve line, blue line to blue line curve line. In the same way, standing line, curve line, curve line. Capital B. So this full page you have to write capital B. Then you turn to the page number 6. Okay, and in page number 6, B is for book. All of you know what is a book, right? B is for book also. So in the same way you have to write again standing line, red line to blue line, standing line, blue line to blue line, curve line, small b, red line to blue line, standing line, blue line to blue line, curve line, small b, red line to blue line, standing line and curve line, small b. Children, here you have to put only one curved line. Teacher has taught you in the beginning. In capital B there is two curved lines, standing line, two curved lines, and in small b there is standing line and only one curved line. So you have to do this page also for homework. So page number 5 and page number 6 is your homework for today. So in the same way, even I will show you once again on the board how to write the capital B and small b. So it is again from red line to blue line, red line to blue line and red line to blue line. Children, please touch the lines in your book and write. If you touch the lines and write, your writing will be neat. Otherwise, you will never be able to learn how to write. Parents, please guide your children. Standing line, curve line, small b, standing line, curve line, capital B, standing line, small curve line, small b. So in this way, you have to write your capital B and small b in your small maths classwork book. So I hope everyone is clear with this letter in the small workbook. So I hope everybody is clear with this homework. Today's homework is capital B. B, you can get even more pictures for B, is like B for bottle. All of you have bottles in your house, right? See, even I have one. All of you have bottles in your house? Yeah. B for bottle, B for box, B for book, B for bear. So you can see as many pictures as you want for the letter B and learn the letter. Learn to write the letter. Do your homework in the maths workbook, small workbook. So that's all for the class for today. Stay safe, stay home. Please stay safe. Thank you.